Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, reverse mortgages. What are my responsibilities as a reverse mortgage loan borrower? There are three main requirements that you must fulfill if you have a home equity conversion mortgage, the most common type of reverse mortgage loan. If you don't meet these requirements, you could lose your home to foreclosure. As a reverse mortgage borrower, you have three main responsibilities. You're required to pay your property charges, such as property taxes and homeowners insurance on time. Your home must be kept in good repair. Your home must be your primary residence. Note, this information only applies to home equity conversion mortgages, which are the most common type of reverse mortgage loan. Pay your property taxes and homeowners insurance on time. Before closing on the loan, your lender will do a financial assessment to determine how you will pay for your ongoing property taxes and homeowners insurance, and if applicable, flood insurance. If your lender determines that your credit and property charge payment history and residual income are sufficient to pay future property taxes and homeowners insurance, you could choose to pay your property charges directly or have your servicer pay your charges by using money from your reverse mortgage funds. If your lender determines that you need to set aside a portion of your loan proceeds as a reserve to pay all or some of your property taxes and homeowners insurance, your lender will either pay your property taxes and homeowners insurance directly from the reserves when the portion set aside fully covers the estimated amounts due, or send you the money so that you can make these payments when the portion set aside does not fully cover the estimated amounts due. If you are unsure if loan money was set aside, check your monthly account statement or contact your lender or servicer. If the reserves can no longer cover your property taxes or homeowners insurance, your lender will tell you. Note, for loans that were made before April 27, 2015, lenders did not perform a financial assessment. Generally, borrowers with these loans need to budget each year to make sure their taxes and insurance are paid on time, unless arrangements were voluntarily made at the time of closing for the lender to set aside money to pay for these property charges. It's an escrow account. Keep your home in good repair. After closing, you must keep your home well maintained. Your lender or servicer may inspect your home's condition if they give you notice and specify the purposes of the inspection. They also may tell you to make repairs. Generally, you have 60 days to start repairs from the day your lender or servicer told you to do so. If you cannot afford to make required repairs, reach out to your local area agency on aging to find assistance programs that may be able to help you pay for repairs. To find the nearest area agency on aging, call this number. Caution, be aware of contractors who approach you about getting a reverse mortgage loan to pay for repairs to your home. Learn about all of your options. Do not let yourself be pressured into borrowing money for home repairs. Live in your home as your primary residence. Your home must be your primary residence, meaning it must be where you spend the majority of the year. You can only have one principal residence at a time. With a reverse mortgage, you can only be away from your home for a certain period of time. If you're away for more than 2 months, but less than 6 months, and there is no co-borrower living in your home, notify your lender or servicer so that your lender knows you continue to occupy the home as your principal residence. If you're away for more than 6 months for non-medical reasons and there's no co-borrower living in the home, your home is no longer your principal residence and your loan must be paid back or satisfied through selling the property or deed in lieu of foreclosure. Anyone living with you will have to move out unless they're able to pay back the loan. If you're away for more than 12 consecutive months in a healthcare facility, such as a hospital, rehabilitation center, nursing home, or assisted living facility, and there's no co-borrower living in the home, your home is no longer your principal residence, and your loan must be paid back or satisfied through selling the property or deed in lieu of foreclosure. Anyone living with you will have to move out unless they're able to pay back the loan or qualify as an eligible non-borrowing spouse. If there is a co-borrower in the house and you permanently move for any reason, the co-borrower may continue to live in the home and receive loan payments so long as they continue to fulfill the reverse mortgage loan requirements. If you have any questions or concerns relating to reverse mortgages and the requirements on your part, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.